Did you know the Deputy Führer of Nazi Germany secretly flew himself to Scotland to end the war, and both sides pretended it never really happened? On May 10th, 1941, Rudolf Hess climbed into a Messerschmitt he had been quietly teaching himself to fly. He crossed the North Sea alone, parachuted into a dark Scottish field, broke his ankle on landing, and was captured by a local farmer holding a pitchfork. His plan was to meet British aristocrats he believed wanted peace. He thought he could end the war privately, without Hitler knowing. Churchill suspected a trap. Hitler told the German public his deputy had gone insane. But here is the part both governments buried as fast as they could. Hess had concluded, in May 1941, that Germany was already losing. A man at the very top of the Nazi command had looked at the war and decided it was unwinnable. That belief could not be examined. Not by Britain, not by Germany. Because if the Deputy Führer thought it was over, others might start thinking the same thing.